Ferrari is about to launch a car that costs over $500,000, and it makes no noise at all. This isn't some strange concept. This is the first ever all-electric Ferrari, and it begs the question, is this the most brilliant move in the company's history, or the beginning of the end for the world's most legendary supercar brand? Because for a century, a Ferrari has been defined by one thing above all else, the sound of its engine. So what happens when you take that away? You're about to find out. We've dug through the patents, the insider reports, and the secret specs to uncover exactly how Ferrari is trying to build an electric car with a soul. So what's the big problem here? Why is an electric Ferrari so controversial? Simple. Raw, silent acceleration is cheap now. A Tesla can give you that neck-snapping feeling, but that's not what a Ferrari is. A Ferrari is a multi-sensory experience. It's the vibration through the seat, the mechanical click of the shifter, and that screaming engine note that climbs to 9,000 RPM. It's drama, it's emotion, it's an opera on wheels, and even owners of incredible EVs like the Porsche Taycan admit that after a while the silent speed gets a little boring. It feels clinical, soulless. That is Ferrari's single biggest nightmare. So they're not just building an EV, they're launching an all-out war on silence. And here's how they plan to win it. Ferrari has built a brand new state-of-the-art e-building right in Maranello. They're not buying motors off a shelf, they are handcrafting every single component of this car's electric heart, in-house. We're talking over 1,000 horsepower from a tri or quad motor setup, all running on a hyper-advanced 800-volt system. That means insane performance and super fast charging. But that's just the boring stuff. The real magic, the part that's supposed to save Ferrari's soul, is hidden in their patents. First, they've engineered a sophisticated sound generator. This isn't just some speaker playing a spaceship hum, it's a system designed to generate an authentic noise, using harmonic oscillators that can literally mimic the acoustic profiles of their iconic V8 and V12 engines. Prototypes have already been caught making a low V8-like growl even when sitting still. They're trying to synthesize a soul, but it gets even crazier. To fight that one-speed, automatic feeling of every other EV, Ferrari has patented a system to simulate gear shifts. You'll have paddles on the steering wheel just like in a real Ferrari, and when you click them, the car software will actually cut the torque for a split second to give you that physical jolt of an upshift, all while the synthesized engine note changes pitch. They are deliberately adding inefficiency back into the car just to make it feel more engaging and more mechanical. Think about that. They are spending millions of dollars to perfectly fake the experience their gas cars have naturally. This is either genius or complete madness. So what's all this soul-faking technology going to cost you? Well, sources say the starting price will be over $500,000. Let me repeat that, over $500,000. This car isn't meant to compete with a Porsche Taycan. Ferrari is creating an entirely new category of hyper-luxury EV for its most loyal collectors. But here's the reality check. For all the incredible engineering, this is still a first-generation product, and its direct competitors have been plagued with problems, from software glitches to terrifying recalls for high-voltage batteries catching on fire. The risks are huge, and maybe the biggest red flag of all. A recent report claims Ferrari has already delayed its second all-electric car, with an inside source saying there is currently zero demand from their existing customers. Their own loyal fans don't seem to want this future. So what we have is a technological masterpiece built to solve an emotional problem for customers who might not even want it. Ferrari is betting its entire reputation on the idea that it can engineer the feeling, the sound, and the drama of its past into a silent electric future. So I have to ask you, is this the ultimate Ferrari? A car that uses technology to preserve the soul of driving? Or is it a $500,000 fake destined to be a collector's item that proves some things just can't be replicated? Let me know what you think down in the comments.